If you're already using the Calendar Bridge AI scheduling assistant, here's something a lot of people don't realize. You can create an assistant for each one of your email addresses as long as it's connected to your Calendar Bridge account. It hit me one day after work. A friend texted me about making plans, and my first instinct was to take a screenshot and send it to my assistant so it could add it to my calendar. And then I stopped and I realized, wait a second, I don't want this on my work calendar. I want it on my personal calendar. And that's when it clicked. I needed to add an assistant to my personal email too. So if you have multiple email accounts and can relate to this situation, I think you'll want to set up multiple assistants as well. The good news is it only takes a few minutes. Let me show you how. So first you'll want to log into your account on calendarbridge.com. And once you're logged in and you can see the dashboard, hit this hamburger menu on the top left. We're doing this from the mobile version, but it's essentially the same on the desktop version as well. So we hit this and you'll see and go down to AI settings, and then you'll see all of your connected accounts. And any connected account, you can just hit add new and add a new account for. If the account isn't connected, all you have to do is go back up here and go to my accounts, and you would just add a new account from here. But let's say that you already have the account added. You just go back to AI settings and hit add new. From there, the steps are the same as the first assistant you set up. You select the email it responds to, the calendars it checks, the time zone. You can add your Zoom preferences, and in here, just copy and paste your configuration from your other account or write some new rules that make sense for this email account. For me personally, I use the same configuration for all of my accounts, and that makes it really easy. If you have different rules for different accounts, like maybe on your family calendar, you want to set it so that it can only be made after work hours, or something really specific for your different work accounts, you have the option to do that. But it's just a few quick, easy steps, and then you hit save changes. And just like that, your assistant is configured for your secondary or third or fourth email address. And that's it. If you're anything like me, once you start using your AI assistant for work, you'll eventually find yourself scheduling something from a different email account and thinking, wait, where's my assistant? The good news is you can add assistants to all of your email accounts in just a few clicks. And once you have it everywhere, you never have to think about scheduling the hard way again.